I started out being hired in 1981 by then Sheriff Capt. So it's been a few years ago, already 33 years in law enforcement, or in the county, I should say. I had a nice opportunity to work in a couple of different areas in the Sheriff's office before being promoted. So I worked in our Civil and Warrants Division as well as the Patrol Division. And then in 1988 was promoted to a first line supervisor or a sergeant position. And I was assigned a Patrol Division shift, if you will. And then in 1991, when Sheriff Steve Borkart was elected sheriff, he promoted me to the Captain of Detectives. So I was a Captain of Detectives from 1991 to about 1996, and then had a neat opportunity to do something very different. I was approached by administration of the county, and they asked if I would be interested in doing a little 6-month stint in our Human Resources Department, and that 6-month stint lasted a lot longer than that, about 3 years before they made a formal decision about not joining City and County Human Resources Department together, and then I was appointed the Human Resources Director and stayed in that position until 2010 when I ran for Olmsted County Sheriff and was elected in November of 2010. This has been a goal of mine early on, and even when I had this opportunity to work in human resources, it was with the belief that that would help me from an administrative background to be prepared for the office of sheriff. And I really think it really has. I think that work and working as a department head over the number of years has done a very good job of preparing me for this important role that I have today. Really, from my perspective, though, my desires and goals have not changed much from the last 4 years. We want to provide the best services we can for our community, keep our community safe, and public safety is our #1 priority. But really look to ways that we can improve our organization in every division of our organization.